Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters. T, heavier than T in top. T, heavier than T in top. Th, like thin in those, but heavier. Th, like thin in those, but heavier. Ain, a deep sound from the throat, with no equivalent in English, and it is close to the letter I, O, E. Ain, a deep sound from the throat, with no equivalent in English, and it is close to the letter I, O, E. Ghain, like G in Ghana. Ghain, like G in Ghana. Ghain, like G in Ghana. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Ta is the first letter in the word table in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word table is written below the rectangle. Tawila, tawila, tawila. Dha is the first letter in the word envelope in Arabic, while pronunciation of the word envelope is written below the rectangle. Zarf, zarf, zarf. Ain is the first letter in the word I in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word I is written below the rectangle. Ain, ain, ain. Ghain is the first letter in the word deer in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word deer is written below the rectangle. Ghazal, ghazal, ghazal. Training. Now we will take some practice on the previous letters. Tawila, table. Zarf, envelope. Ain,
I.
ain.
I.
Deer, ghazal. Deer, ghazal. Deer, ghazal. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.